Happy blissful day to you. How are you feeling today? And in today's video, I want to share with you why robotic affirmations are only working for a few people and yet not for others. So before we get into the video, I just want to remind you that we have a lot of free coaching resources. And if you an entrepreneur and you're feeling stuck mentally, feeling stuck financially, you can book a free mindset clarity call with us. So all the details are in the description below. So now I just want to share with you guys that there are a lot of tools, methods, and techniques out there that you can use to manifest. But it's very important to understand that the tools, the methods, and the techniques do not manifest. It does not manifest. You have to understand that you've been manifesting since you came to this planet. You've been manifesting all your life. Manifestation is a natural process. You've always been manifesting and you always are manifesting. Now, the reason why you're watching this video is you have now decided to do it consciously and no longer unconsciously, right? But it's very important to understand manifestation is a natural process. Everybody always manifests. What do I mean by that? I want you to think and reflect on your day yesterday. What happened yesterday? Just reflect on the people that you met, how you felt, and the experiences that you received yesterday, good and bad. Just reflect on that. Now, that is a result of manifestation. Now, check this out. Everything that happened to you yesterday was because of you. You see, life is not happening to you, it's happening because of you. So, how life works is it's a reflection of your mindset. So, anything and everything that's in your mind right now shows up later. That's why life is happening because of you. You see, if I internalize a this powerful affirmation and I keep on reminding myself that everything in my life is perfect, everything in my life is perfect, yes, everything in my life is perfect, and I can see how everything in my life is perfect, my relationship, my health, finances. I'm like, yeah, that's true for me. If I internalize that and I keep on reminding myself that everything in my life is perfect, and I make sure that my mental diet is in alignment with that, I don't contradict myself. What will then happen later on is everything in my reality will now show me evidences of perfection. That's how it works. That's really how simple it is. Now, I want to share with you why robotic affirmations only work for some people and yet for other people it doesn't seem to be working. So we had a prospective client booked a mindset clarity call, and within this call the client shared with me that, hey, I've been using robotic affirmations for the past 2 or 3 weeks to manifest a certain amount of money and nothing is happening. She hasn't even received a penny. Nothing is happening. And she told me that she's been like literally repeating this affirmation for hours every day. So then I was like, what? Really? And she said, yeah, nothing has happened. So then I asked her, okay, how much are you trying to manifest? And she gave me the amount, right? So I said, okay, I just want you to remain calm and center yourself. I just want you to relax yourself. Just relax your body. And now I want you to bring that amount into your heart. Just bring it into your heart and breathe in slowly. Just breathe in. And you can also do this. I want you, now you are trying to manifest a certain amount as well. Am I right? Okay, good. Now I want you to bring this amount into your heart and just take a slow breathe in and out. And just in and out. Just one last deep breath in and out. Okay, now repeat after me. Do I believe that I can manifest this amount of money. And just notice what comes up. So what came up for her was no. And then when we went deeper and asked, but why not? And the answer was, you are not worthy. You don't believe that you're worthy of manifesting this amount of money. So what happened was she used robotic affirmations and literally for hours. The reason why she did not see any movement is because there was a subconscious belief that said that no, you are not worthy of this. And you have to understand that the subconscious is just trying to protect you from maybe disappointment, from failure. So the subconscious mind is just doing its job. So if you're trying to manifest $10,000, if you have a belief that says, nah, I don't deserve it, the subconscious mind is then going to make sure that it shows and it immediately just notify the conscious mind that, hey, Gabriel is not worthy and he's not deserving of this $10,000. So we're not going to allow him to actually manifest this. Let's just keep him safe just to prevent him from not feeling um, disappointed or experiencing failure. So let's just protect him, right? So, and then that was a light bulb moment for us like, oh, right, okay, cool. So we then did the process to say that, hey, all you need to do is just release all those limiting beliefs that do not serve you and tell your subconscious mind that it's okay and it's safe for you now to actually manifest this amount of money. And now you can use the robotic affirmations. Now, check this out. This is what I'm going to share to you is very, very important. And this is why robotic affirmations has worked for me so well. You see, the way I use robotic affirmations is different from, the rest of the people out there. How I use it is I remind myself that I am the person who already has my desire. So I'll give you an example. How I've tested robotic affirmations by saying to myself, I make thousands of dollars a day. I make thousands of dollars a day. I make thousands of dollars a day. And I repeated that in the morning, noon, and evening. I make thousands of dollars a day. I make thousands of dollars a day. But then before I even said and repeated these affirmations, I accepted that I was already the person who makes or earns thousands of dollars every day. So it was simply just a reminder. It was like, yeah, of course. Like, for example, my name is Gabriel. So if I'm going to say my name is Gabriel right now, I'm reminding myself that it's my name is Gabriel because it's a fact that my name is Gabriel. So now it was also a fact that I already made thousands of dollars, even though that wasn't a reality in the 3D. But I just told my mind that, hey, listen here, I assume and accept that I am now the person who makes thousands of dollars a day. And within about, say, a couple of weeks or so, I actually started seeing that materializing. You see? But the reason why I'm making this video is because you probably have used robotic affirmations as well, and you are not seeing any movement and you're not seeing anything happening. So, what I want you to do is just go back, like rewind, or go back to the exercise that we did and really just see that do you actually believe that you are worthy and deserving of receiving your desire? All you need to do is just go, breathe into your heart, and then ask yourself that question. Your heart knows, it will tell you exactly if you think that you can't or think that you can't. And it will give you the exact answer to say that, oh, no, you don't feel that you are good enough. It will say that you're not good enough, you know and then what you want to do is release that BS belief system because it no longer serves you. And now you can use robotic affirmations or any other method that feels natural to you. Remember, the method is simply just to remind you that you already have your desire. In other words, the method is just designed to shift you into the version of yourself who already has your desire. That's it. The method does not manifest, you manifest. Remember, your mindset is a reflection of your 3D. So everything that's happening in your 3D is just reflecting what's happening in your mind. So you have to ask yourself right now, what do you believe to be true about yourself? How do you see yourself? If I had to ask you, how do you see yourself? Do you see yourself as the person who already has your desire? Do you believe that you are the person who already has your desire? So really ask yourself this, and then you can now use any method to remind yourself that you are now the person who has your desire. Now, robotic affirmations are extremely, powerful because it helps you to focus and it cancels out all the BS, and it just helps you to hone in and to focus on your wish fulfilled, especially when you're like just doing it from a place of reminding yourself that, yeah, of course, yeah, I am the person who already has my desire. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And as I said, maybe you're going to do the same, challenges, so you can then, apply this and, let me know. And just a quick reminder, we have a lot of free coaching resources. And if you're an entrepreneur and you feel stuck mentally and financially, you can book a free, mindset clarity call with us, where we can do a full mind diagnosis to find out exactly what is stopping me. Because as an entrepreneur, you're supposed to thrive and not survive. That's right. Having said that, keep smiling, enjoy a blissful day, and I'll catch you in the next one.